This is task 1.7, a presentation of my vocabulary app. GenSpeak, helping professionals learn English, an app for non-native English speakers who are learning English in their field of profession. They have some experience speaking and understanding English, but can use some help. Eduardo Finelli is our persona from Italy. He moved to the United States 2 months ago. He learned English in Italy but has plenty to learn. He moved to the United States for a job in mechanical engineering, and he would like some help learning more terms, words, phrases in English in the field of mechanical engineering, so that he can better get along with his coworkers and do well in his job. The problem is Eduardo doesn't know all of the English translations for words in his professional field, so he would like some help with that. Maybe he can learn some things on his commute to work. Coming up with a way to help Eduardo learn English, he can try the GenSpeak app. He would open the app, create an account, add personal details like his age and personal interests. He would choose his profession of mechanical engineering from a list of professions, and from there he would get started studying flashcards. Coming together, and it would look like this, with personal info, boxes to add personal details, then a button for choosing the profession, then comes a list of many professions, and then an example of a flashcard with a word and the definition. The usability of the app was then tested, and 3 participants in total were given the wireframe drawings, and they got to see how a user would go about using the app, and their feedback was essential for the redesign. They said things like it might be too much info on the page for the list of professions. They said it would be helpful if the app can pull an article in the designated field of profession that can be useful for studying, along with flashcards of words and phrases. And they were wondering how much this app would cost. Because of the feedback, revisions were made and a new design was created. The list of professions is condensed to 100, like the list of majors at a university. Flashcards include passages from professional articles and journals. At the Create an Account page, it is stated whether the app is free or not, and in personal info, personal interests of the user are also listed. The moral of this story of GenSpeak coming to save Eduardo is that revisions were necessary. The first prototype was not enough, and feedback from multiple participants was essential in gathering all of the data to make the best app for helping Eduardo.